Have you ever struggled with removing background from images and wanted a tool that can do it flawlessly in a few seconds? Well, today we're diving into AI Arty's AI image matting tool, which uses cutting-edge technology to give you professional quality background removal in just a few clicks. So whether you're a creator, designer, or business owner, this tool can transform how you work with images. Let's break it down. What is AI image matting and who needs it? AI image matting is all about precision background removal. This tool analyzes your images and isolates subjects, even handling tricky areas like hair, fur, or transparent objects. Here's who might need this tool. E-commerce sellers to create clean product photos for your website or marketplace listings, graphic designers for creating composites, posters, or social media graphics, content creators perfect for creating thumbnails or banners, photographers for professional edits or creative projects, and small business owners that need to whip up promotional material fast. This tool is for you. Now, how do you use the AI Arty image matting tool step by step? Let's walk through the process together. So you can upload your image by heading over to their website in the link below. Drag and drop your image or select it from your computer. Now AI automatically processes your image. So the AI kicks in and removes the background in seconds. For complex subjects like hair or intricate details, AI Arty shines with its pixel-level precision. Next, preview and adjust. Review the result and, if needed, use the brush tool to refine areas. You can fine-tune edges for the perfect cutout. Next, download your file. Once satisfied, download the processed image in high resolution. Save it as a PNG file to maintain the transparent background, or as a JPEG file for a solid one. Now, why should you choose the AI Arty image matting tool? Here's what makes it a game changer. It saves you a lot of time. You need no more manual tracing or complex Photoshop edits. Next, accuracy. It handles tough details like hair strands, glass, and even overlapping objects. Third, it is easy to use. Even if you have no design experience, that is no problem. The interface is beginner friendly. And fourth, versatility. It works for personal and commercial projects alike. Let's go through a few real-life applications for this tool. So for e-commerce store owners, let's say you're selling jewelry. You can use AI Arty to remove messy backgrounds and create stunning professional product photos with transparent or solid color background. For social media marketers, you need to design an Instagram post or a YouTube thumbnail. AI Arty can isolate your subject so you can seamlessly integrate it into any design. Event photographers, offer your client customized backdrops by removing the original and adding a themed one. And now we're going to go through a few tips to get the best results with this image matting tool. First, choose high quality images. The higher the resolution, the better the results. Next, use the brush tool. Even AI is not perfect sometimes, so if needed, you can touch up tricky spots for the perfect finish. And next, experiment with different backgrounds. After removing the background, try adding a gradient, texture, or a solid color for your final design. And there you have it. The AI Arty image matting tool is the perfect tool for anyone working with images. Whether you're editing for your online store, creating content, or designing for clients, this tool can save you a lot of time while delivering professional results. If you're ready to take your images to the next level, go ahead and check out the image matting tool in the link below. Once you see how easy it is, you'll never go back to manual editing. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you get some new tips on editing images like a pro, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more videos weekly. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!